From above and on the ground, Israeli military encircle the town of Qabatiya in the latest raid in the occupied West Bank. Eyewitnesses say Israeli bulldozers have started destroying streets and taking several homes as military bases. Residents are worried the raid will continue for days.
People started running to the bakeries and supermarkets to buy some basic needs because of this raid. There is a sense of fear among people in town. There are Israeli threats as well as Israeli incitement.
Israeli forces have been stationed in the nearby Jenin refugee camp since January. In the town of Beit Omar, 3 children were assaulted, handcuffed and blindfolded by Israeli forces. No reason for their detention was given. The UN says Palestinians in the occupied West Bank have experienced an average of 60 incidents of aggression per day by Israeli military and settlers in 2025. Arson, property damage and death are often the outcome. But with an imposition of a curfew announced and the destruction of road and infrastructure, this most recent raid by Israel is unlikely to end anytime soon. Nargess, Mobah-lleri, Al Jazeera.
Don't miss out, get the full picture. Subscribe to Al Jazeera for reliable news and expert insights. Like, share, stay ahead.